The year is 2027. Humanity embarks on a daring mission to explore the secrets of Titan, Saturn's largest moon. This mission is a testament to our relentless curiosity and desire to push the boundaries of what we know. NASA's Dragonfly mission, an endeavor of unprecedented ambition, aims to unravel the mysteries of this alien world. The mission is a culmination of years of research, innovation, and collaboration among the brightest minds in space exploration. Imagine a place with rivers of methane, vast dunes of organic molecules, and a subsurface ocean of water ice. Titan's landscape is both familiar and alien, offering a unique environment that challenges our understanding of planetary science. This is Titan, a moon that holds clues to the very building blocks of life. Its complex chemistry and dynamic surface make it a prime candidate for studying prebiotic conditions. Dragonfly, our intrepid robotic explorer, will embark on a journey of discovery like no other. Equipped with cutting-edge instruments, it will analyze Titan's surface and atmosphere in unprecedented detail. This mission represents a giant leap forward in our understanding of the solar system and our place within it. By exploring Titan, we are not just learning about a distant moon, but also about the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. For the first time, we will fly a multi-rotor craft, a drone, on another world. This innovative technology allows us to cover vast distances and explore diverse terrains that would be impossible with traditional rovers. This innovative approach will allow us to explore Titan's diverse landscape in unprecedented detail. From its towering dunes to its mysterious lakes, every aspect of Titan will be within our reach. Dragonfly's mission is not just about exploring a distant moon, it's about understanding the origins of life itself. By studying Titan, we hope to gain insights into the processes that led to the emergence of life on Earth. Titan's unique chemistry, with its abundance of organic molecules, provides a glimpse into the conditions that may have existed on early Earth. These findings could revolutionize our understanding of life's beginnings. By studying Titan, we hope to unlock secrets about the very essence of life. This mission is a bold step towards answering one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? Getting to Titan, however, is no easy feat. The journey is fraught with challenges and requires cutting-edge technology and precise planning. This moon lies nearly 1 billion miles away, a journey that would take years with conventional spacecraft. The vast distance and harsh conditions of space make this mission one of the most ambitious ever attempted. Enter SpaceX's Falcon Heavy, the most powerful operational rocket in the world. Its design and engineering are unparalleled, making it the ideal choice for such a monumental task. This engineering marvel will provide the immense power needed to hurl Dragonfly across the vast gulf of space. The sheer force generated by its engines is a testament to human ingenuity and determination. NASA's collaboration with SpaceX marks a new era in space exploration. This partnership combines the best of both worlds, NASA's experience and SpaceX's innovative approach. By leveraging the capabilities of commercial partners, NASA can push the boundaries of scientific discovery at an accelerated pace. This synergy is crucial for the success of missions like Dragonfly. The Falcon Heavy, with its trio of reusable boosters, represents a cost-effective and reliable way to launch heavy payloads into deep space. This reusability significantly reduces costs and increases mission feasibility. The contract with SpaceX for the Dragonfly launch is a testament to the company's proven track record in spaceflight. Their expertise ensures that the mission is in capable hands. Falcon Heavy has already demonstrated its capabilities by launching payloads into orbit and beyond, including the iconic Tesla Roadster, into an orbit around the Sun. These achievements highlight its reliability and performance. With Dragonfly, Falcon Heavy will once again showcase its prowess, sending a sophisticated robotic explorer on its journey to Titan. This mission will pave the way for future explorations of distant worlds. Now let's talk about the star of the show, Dragonfly itself. This isn't your typical rover slowly traversing the landscape. Dragonfly is a rotorcraft, essentially a large drone designed to soar through Titan's dense atmosphere. With its 8 rotors, Dragonfly will be able to take off and land vertically, hovering like a dragonfly over the alien terrain. Think of Dragonfly as an interplanetary drone, flitting across Titan's sky. Its design allows for unparalleled mobility, enabling it to explore a variety of locations across hundreds of kilometers. This aerial agility will give us a bird's-eye view of Titan, revealing its secrets in stunning detail. But Dragonfly is more than just a flying machine. It's a sophisticated scientific laboratory equipped with a suite of instruments designed to analyze Titan's atmosphere, surface, and subsurface. From cameras capturing breathtaking panoramic views to drills collecting samples of Titan's organic-rich sands, Dragonfly will be our eyes and ears on this enigmatic world. Dragonfly's mission is driven by some profound questions that have intrigued humanity for centuries. Could life, even in a form we don't yet comprehend, exist on this distant moon, Titan, orbiting Saturn? Titan possesses an intriguing mix of organic molecules, a key ingredient for life as we know it, scattered across its icy surface and within its dense atmosphere. Dragonfly will search for evidence of past or present life, meticulously investigating the habitability of Titan's environment, which is unlike any other place we've explored. Imagine Dragonfly landing near a methane lake, its sophisticated instruments analyzing the composition of the liquid and searching for signs of organic activity, potentially rewriting our understanding of life's requirements. Or picture it hovering over vast dunes, its drills extracting samples to unlock the secrets of Titan's complex chemistry, which could hold clues to the building blocks of life. These are just a glimpse of the scientific treasures that Dragonfly promises to uncover, each discovery potentially more groundbreaking than the last. Dragonfly's findings could revolutionize our understanding of the possibilities of life beyond Earth, challenging our assumptions and expanding our horizons. If we find evidence of life on Titan, even in its most basic form, it would suggest that life may be more common in the universe than we ever imagined, opening up new avenues for exploration. And even if we don't find definitive proof of life, Dragonfly's exploration will provide invaluable insights into the prebiotic chemistry that may have led to life's emergence on Earth billions of years ago, enriching our understanding of our own origins.